That's a really good question. Let's go. This crazy looking chart right here is what we use to explain to clients what a complete brand is. Different sections. There's this white section here, and then there's this red section over here. They both fall into strategy versus expression. This section's all about what people feel when they experience your brand. Purpose, mission, vision, values. Basically what you stand for. And then here, how do you position yourself out in the world? What do customers think of you? What's the difference that you make for people? All of this under the brand strategy, which is really the blueprint for the business and the creativity. Can't do a darn thing without a strategy. You can't build a house without a blueprint. This is how the strategy comes to life. All these different pieces that people love to talk about, things like the website, the logo, how do we tell our story? All of that lives here. One of the most important things we like to point out to the client is that this part right here, that's where the logo is. This very small section of the entire overall complete brand expression. If you want more, like and follow.